In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down list menu on Google Sheets. This is a really useful feature when you want people to choose from a set list of options, instead of typing things manually. It helps keep your data clean, consistent, and a lot easier to work with later on. First, open your Google Sheet and decide exactly where you want the drop-down to appear. This could be a single cell, like the header of a column, or any cell where you want to limit the choices. Once you've found that cell, right-click on it. This will open the context menu, which is the list of options that appears whenever you right-click in Google Sheets. In that menu, look for the option labeled Dropdown. Google sometimes updates the interface, but it should clearly say Dropdown in newer versions. Go ahead and click that. As soon as you do, a sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll actually define what shows up in your drop-down list. In the sidebar, you have two main choices for how to set up your menu. You can manually type in the list of items you want to appear, or you can point Google Sheets to a range of cells that already contains those items. If you're entering items manually, you'll see separate fields where you can type each option, like yes, no, maybe, or high, medium, low. Take a moment to think through the exact wording and spelling you want. Every option you type here will be exactly what users can select later, so keep it clear and consistent. If you prefer to use an existing list, maybe from another part of the sheet, choose the option to use a range. Then, click the small grid icon to select the cells that contain your list values. This is helpful if your drop-down options might change in the future, because you can just edit that range rather than updating the drop-down settings each time. Once you've either entered your items or selected your range, review everything carefully. When you're happy with it, click Done in the sidebar. Now go back to your cell and click the little arrow that appears. You should see your new drop-down list ready to use, making your sheet more organized and user-friendly.